So it's been a little while, hasn't it? Yeah. So I just moved to Chicago, and if you're here, let's hang out. First and foremost, that's what I want to say. Let's go downtown, shoot some stills. Let's shoot some video, nerd out on cameras and stuff like that. But let's grab a coffee for real. It'd be really cool to know if you've been watching for a while. If you're here, 100%, let's meet up. Previously, I was in Virginia for 4 years, and now I have moved. I have my own company now. I'm serving nonprofits and just doing my own thing at this point. I haven't made videos for a while because I was getting a lot of brand collaborations, and it just didn't seem like a good fit for a long time. The products just weren't helpful to you, directly to you. They weren't helpful to me. And so I think my attention was just diverted to building my own thing. So now that I have my own business, my goals are going toward that, putting effort into that, and to see that flourish and blossom, hopefully in this new city, would be incredible. So that's what I'm spending my time on. If you're here, let's hang out. If you come into town, let's hang out. Just DM me on Instagram, and let's just grab a coffee and chat. But just want to say hey, and that's it. I hope you're well. Hope Christmas is good. But yeah, that's it. Peace.